Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to take pre-workout supplement step by step. Read the label for serving size and caffeine content, check for allergies, and note any stimulant warnings. Measure your dose with a scoop or scale and avoid doubling servings. Mix powder into 8 to 12 ounces of water, stir until dissolved, and drink 20 to 30 minutes before training for optimal effect and recovery. Plan your routine so the supplement peaks when you start warm-ups. This ensures energy and focus when you need them most. If you are stimulant sensitive, begin with half a serving and track how you feel across sessions. Be cautious mixing other caffeine sources on the same day to avoid excess intake. Hydration and a light snack can improve absorption and reduce stomach upset during intense workouts. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical fitness tips. Quick recommendation: the bottle you see here works great for carrying pre-workout mixes and keeping you hydrated between sets, and it's durable for everyday use. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you like. Now let's get back to the video. Mixing technique matters. Use cold water and a proper shaker to dissolve powder evenly for a smooth drink. If you get nausea, try a light carbohydrate snack beforehand or reduce the dose to 1/2 serving. Never stack multiple stimulant products in the same session and track total daily caffeine from all sources. If you have medical concerns or take prescription medications, check with your healthcare provider before adding pre-workout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.